Hello all and welcome to our channel One Hand on Tech. I'm Antti and today we have a privilege of doing something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I haven't had the courage to do it so far. So today we will be building our own mechanical keyboard. At this point I want to give hand out to Keychron for making this possible. This is something that I have been wanting to do for a long time, but reason why I haven't done this before is that some of you may recall our first video where I played around with the Cooler Master hot swap keyboard and broke some switches with the keyboard. So I'm afraid that I might do it here again, but let's give it a shot. Okay, so this is the box for the bare bone keyboard, and to go with it we also need the keycaps and we need the actual switches. So let's get going. And I'm also prepared.
Yay!
And this time I am going to read the manual because I'm not sure what I'm doing.
Another win.
Perkele! Let's do it like this. Cable, USB, some kind of a screws and dampening material. That's it. Instructions. Make sure that pins are straight before inserting them in. Yeah, that's good for me because this is the part where I most likely will fail. Good. User manual. Is there anything about installation here? Settings. Tutorial. No, there's just use instructions, not build instructions, but okay. Whoa, this is really heavy. This is standard mechanical keyboard is about half kilos. This is over a kilo because this, I think this is, let's check out, this is full aluminum. Oh yeah. That's not plastic, that's all metal.
Can't break this one.
True, yeah. You can use this as a melee weapon also. Alright. I think at this point let's just play with the switches and see if there is something. Well, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing at this point, but let's try it out. Because there wasn't any key instructions what you should do and when. Was there actually any tool for this? Where's the key? Ah! Tools are under here. Good that I checked it. The hexagon key, screwdriver, keycap puller, and the switch puller. That's what I was looking for. Quick start guide. No, this is just for connecting this to the PC. Okay, so actually this is you can actually buy this one fully installed, but my friend sent this, thanks to Sem, she sent this to me so that I can build it by myself. You can buy this fully equipped, but I think this is more fun for me. Okay. These are red linear switches, don't make any sound. The pins are actually same as with the Cooler Master that we checked on first video. So basically you can use these in Cooler Master keyboards as you can use Cooler Master switches on this one if you want. Pins are there, just have to look. Do I need these or can I just push these in? I need to be very careful with this. 15. Should I do it with this? I'm not really sure. I think I can do it by hand. If I fail this, I just need to order new switches.
So they sell the switches.
Separately, yeah.
Yeah.
You can just buy different kind of switches because these, like I've talked in the first video, there are multiple different kind of switches. These are the linear ones that don't make much sound, but on the first video we also talked about the tactical one, which always give the clicking sound when you push them down. But the red ones are most popular in the market. Overall, I think all around the world. I think this will take so long that we will time loop this. Most likely. Tilted out of the box. I didn't break this. This was fun. This one was already broken. I can just...
Break it more.
No, I can just fix it with just pushing it gently.
Huh.
Yeah.
Actually worked. I'm surprised.
Well, it's kind of a different thing when we put it on and see that does it also connect to the motherboard. But in theory, it should work. Let's see later on. That didn't sound right. It's good to note also that some keys, the pins aren't aligned same way, so it seems that the enter key you can't push the pins in same as normal keys because it's sideways. Just you need to be extra careful when doing this.
Is there a special reason why that is?
Don't know. The enter key is bigger than normal keys, so it has actually 2 extra supporting beams or what these are here. So it might be that fact. Also, the light is coming from the side, so it might be that if the light would come from below, it wouldn't shine through the enter key, the keycap actually. Might be. We'll see when it's on. One good thing to notice here is that this has multiple levels of sound dampening compared to normal mechanical keyboards. So there is some extra silicone below the axial plate that holds the switches. So it will go down a little bit. So this will actually dampen the noise somewhat when typing. That's a good thing. Good, we have some extra switches in the package, so if, and most likely I did break something, I have some extra switches to switch them. Okay, the first part is done, then the keycaps. Pretty.
Oh, pink.
Oh, these are so nice. Alright. So, okay, there's actually the keycap set is something that you can use if you have a full-size keyboard. This is the 65%, so it's missing the top row, the function keys and the numpad. this would be the easy part. You can't break here. You can't break switches on this as you could before. Just put them on. Why won't you work?
This is the easy part.
Okay. Then there should be. Let's go this way.
There's baby blue and baby pink and white.
Fits me perfectly.
Yes. So you just push them on.
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
So here are the extra keys that didn't fit to this keyboard, but like I said, this is a standard model keycap set which will basically work with any Keychron model. I will store these for later use. Also the extra switches. So here's the final product. Looks nice. I really like the keycap set. Very me. And of course we have the palm rest here.
Just a board.
You can play
All
baseball
aboard.
with this. Yep. But this is actually good. It doesn't have to be soft. It just needs to move your wrist to correct position, and this will do quite well. But you can't really put lean on it. Good. Okay. I think we need to connect it and see that the lights actually work. See how many of these I broke. Good thing to note that beside the USB-C connector there's a switch for Windows and Mac. So the keycap set also contained the Mac keycap, so you can use this with Windows PCs or with Macs. No, it's working. You can't see it, but it is working.
Let me see if I can. Yeah, with the lights on we can't see them.
Yeah.
Barely.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
Yeah. Just to test that. I will do some testing later on, and we will put the videos actually this time to TikTok, so make sure to subscribe that channel also. This is just for building this. Okay, so I think I managed to build it from scratch. Yay me!
Yay you!
But let's talk about the price. Can you guess the price for the full set?
I have no idea what it should cost.
Roughly about 250 euros. Everything on the table at the moment.
Isn't that quite a lot?
Yeah. If you're looking for a standard entry mechanical keyboard, the previous Cooler Master that we went through in the first video is good. 50 euros, it ticks all the boxes for entry keyboard. But here's the thing, this is what you buy for your computer, and you most likely sell or give it away with your computer. This is what you buy for yourself. The build quality is different, the price is different, the things you can do with this is totally different. So this you won't give away with your computer. You will move it to your next computer and next computer. It's easy to maintain, it's easy to change the keycaps, change the switches, change everything about it. This supports an open software for creating macros and everything like that. So you can use the open software to do any kind of things with the keyboard. I will study that later on also with the TikTok videos. But this is something that when you buy it, I'm saying that you will most likely use it for at least 10 years. So when you divide it to years, it's not a bad investment at least at all.
Yeah, yeah. And it's sturdy. It's easy to clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, and the switches, if they break, you can change them to new. All the keycaps, if they break. This case won't break. That's full aluminum.
Yeah.
That won't break. Not even by my hands.
Let's see. See you in 10 years.
Good. That's all for the building the keyboard and my comments on that. Like I said, I will be uploading more videos later on to TikTok, so you can check and comment there what you think about it. That's all also for this episode. Hope you liked it, subscribe it, and so on. Keep commenting and sending wishes what more you want us to do. Thank you, and thank you for watching.
Bye.